My name is Anam Nadeem. I am going to teach you SST. Today we are going to learn about land and water. Before telling about you land and water, I will tell you about how the surface of earth is made up of. In the previous lecture, we have studied about what is earth, how earth is surrounded by. Well, the earth is a third planet in our solar system and it is surrounded by atmosphere. The surface of earth is made up of land and water. To explain this, just look at this picture. In this picture, you can see this is a picture of earth. In this picture, 70% of earth is covered with water and 30% of earth is covered with land. So this is a distribution of water and land on earth is 70 and 30%. Earth's 2/3 of the earth's surface make up seas and ocean, and the land which is near the sea is called coast, and when the land and sea at the same level, it is called sea level. Now come to the next page. Do you know what is the difference between seas and oceans? The large areas of water are called as oceans and the smaller areas of water are called seas. So this is the difference between ocean and seas. There are waves on the surface of oceans and sea, and the water in the sea is always moving about. These movements are called as current. Now I will tell you about the landforms or physical features of the earth. I will describe you about the landforms one by one. Firstly, I will tell you about the hills and mountains. See, in this picture you can see there are different landforms. Hills are not as high and steep as mountain. So this is the difference between hill and mountain. I will tell you about the valley, plateau and plain. Valley. The low land between the hills and mountains is called valley, and the high area of land is called plateau, and the flat lands at the lower levels are called plain. So this is the difference between plains, valley and plateau. Now I will tell you about the coast. What is the coast? The land near the sea is called coast. In this picture you can see there is a desert. Desert is a place where there is a sand and rock. You can see a thick forest here. You can also see in this diagram island and lake. Can you know and tell me the difference between island and lake? Well, an area of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island, and a body of water surrounded by land is known as lake. So this is the difference between island and lake. So this is just all about the land forms of earth. Now I will tell you an important information that, do you know, lakes and rivers are very important for us. We get fresh water from lakes and rivers. If we pollute the rivers and lakes, which are the sources of fresh water, we will destroy our lives of both plants and animals, and also make ourselves very ill. So it is very important to keep our lakes and river clean. So this is all about today's lecture. In this lesson, we have discussed about our first lesson, the earth in space, in which we discuss about solar system, parts of solar system, distribution of water and land on earth, and as well as we have discussed about the landform or physical features of earth. Is there any query, any problem which you want to discuss? Okay, thank you.